You can see your current running program on the Programs page in the Flow web service. The program is meant for everyday use. It tells you what stage of the program you're on and what is coming. You can see how much of the program you've already completed and how you did. The running program is divided into weekly stages. You can see the entire timeline with base building, build-up and tapering phases, and your goal at the end of the program. The timeline includes all your planned running sessions and optimal strength, core, and mobility exercises to support your preparation for the program. You can reschedule your training sessions for another day of the same week if you want. From the table in the lower left corner, you can see the training times in the heart rate zones. The table tells you how long you have to train in each heart rate zone during the week. You'll also see how much you've already been training in each zone. You can earn weekly stars based on how well you follow the training program. The running index value gives you an up-to-date estimation on your possible finish time in the running event. The higher your running index value is, the better your finishing time will be. The running index is only available with sensors that measure distance with GPS. When you're starting a new week, the program will guide you if you've overtrained or undertrained in the previous week. Challenge yourself.